There was a song written in 1959. It was written for Delaney. I don't know how they realized it was going to be 2014 before she was 16, but it was written for Delaney, obviously by Daddy. And I'm going to need boys to help me just a little bit, boys.
We apologize beforehand for this.
I'm going to kill somebody.
Don't get the glasses. Are you ready? I'll try to hang with you. Ready? Happy birthday, Laney, oh, I love you so. 16 candles make a lovely light, but not as bright as your eyes tonight. Blow out the candles, make your wish come true. I'm so happy that you love me too.
That you love me too.
You're only 16. You're my teenage queen. You're the prettiest, loveliest girl I've ever seen.
We've ever seen
16 candles and my heart will glow forever and ever. For I love you so.
For we love you so.
You're only 16, but you're my teenage queen. You're the prettiest, loveliest girl I've ever seen.
We've ever seen
16 candles and my heart will glow forever and ever. For I love you so.
I love you so.
Woo!